This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zevo Max. Before you begin, it's crucial to identify your target pest, whether it's ants, roaches, or other insects. Always take a moment to carefully read the entire product label for important safety instructions and warnings. Make sure the area you're treating is well ventilated, and keep curious children and pets away until the treated surfaces are completely dry. For effective application first, give your Zevo Max can a good shake before each use to ensure the ingredients are properly mixed. When spraying, hold the can about 12 inches away from the surface. You can spray directly onto any visible insects for a quick knockdown. For lasting control, apply a barrier spray to common entry points like windowsills, door frames, and cracks, as well as hiding spots such as under sinks and behind appliances. Zevo Max is highly effective against a variety of crawling insects, including ants, cockroaches, and spiders. Focus your application on areas where you frequently observe these pests, such as kitchens, bathrooms, and basements. Pay special attention to cracks, crevices, and along baseboards, as these are common hiding spots. For ongoing protection, reapply the product as needed, usually every 7 to 10 days, to maintain a strong barrier. After applying Zevo Max, ensure all treated surfaces are completely dry before allowing children or pets back into the area. If there's any excess spray, simply wipe it up with a damp cloth. For optimal product longevity and safety, store your Zevo Max in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures. Always keep the product securely out of reach of both children and pets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.